Today I've been asking myself, can we really do everything that we do on our laptop and on our desktop inside virtual reality headsets? Both the video editing, both the graphic design, photo editing and all that, both the live stream, both every single thing that you do in your desktop and in your laptop. Can we really do it right inside virtual reality and spend 2, 3, 4, 5 hours the same way we spend time on our laptop on a daily basis without straining our back, trying to type and trying to use our laptop, keyboard, and mouse? Can we really relax as normal people, like we are watching movie in the cinema or we are doing, and you are working on a project, video project, graphic design, whatever that is taking your time right inside VR without straining your back? Is it possible for us to do that? Is it possible? We're going to find out in this video. Most editors, most people that spend time 4, 5, 6 hours, 7 hours daily on a system always like working on big screen. When I mean big screen is not actually your laptop screen. Big screen is always sweeter working on the television in your parlor, your big TV. It will be even sweeter working on a cinema screen. If you're the kind of person that spends hours on laptop doing some graphic, video, audio, different kind of work that needs your attention for hours, it's sweeter working on a bigger screen. Now, in this video, what you guys are now seeing are 3 screens. One is my laptop screen, and one is my VR screen, what I am seeing right inside VR. And the third one is myself talking to you guys. So what I'm trying to do now in this video is see if I can edit this video that we just said earlier, the intro of this video. Let me see how comfortable it will be working in my laptop right from my virtual reality headset. This is cinema. As you guys can see, this is cinema. I'm sitting right in the middle of the cinema, and what I am seeing here is my laptop screen. These are my hands, my controllers, and I can decide to drop it and shift my laptop. My laptop is right in front of me, and take my mouse and let's go and open Filmora video editing software, which is the software that I use. Apart from the fact that you can be in this environment, you can still use your joystick. Filmora is coming up, Filmora 12, and then hold your controller and change your environment. Okay, let me resume. Now tap the middle button in your controller. You can see this is my VR environment. Now go to environment. We are right in cinema. You guys can see this is like cinema, silverbed or whatever, zone, etc. Now I can still decide to be right inside like a home. Let me click a home. The environment is going to change automatically. You guys are seeing. Okay, just let's wait a little bit. Okay, the environment is changing in big screen. You guys can see that I'm in a different environment where I have a very massive TV screen, which is showing my laptop as well. Filmora has already opened. Okay, you can see this is a different environment. You guys can see this is my keyboard right in front of me that I can use to work even if I want to type in VR. Now, let's go over to the next room, which is classroom, which is where I think I am going to be editing this video from. Now, this is a classroom environment. In case if you want the environment to be like as if you're in a classroom, you guys can see these are desks everywhere. This is awesome. This is outside. You guys can see everything is clear to you guys, and this is my laptop screen, so wide in the whole front section of the classroom. Here comes my desktop screen. Now these are my hands. You guys can see with my controllers. I'm going to drop my controllers and relax on my laptop. New project. Let's move. Let me import this video. This is where the video is. New videos. And wow, it feels so shit. It feels so awesome. I mean, working right inside your laptop in VR. Now, this is the video I just recorded now. You guys can see. I hope you guys are following up. Okay. That's right. Play on. Today I was just asking myself, is it possible for us to do everything that we do on the system? You can see. So let me open my Filmora and import this video. It feels so sweet. I mean, walking right inside here is an awesome experience. This is what I'll be doing right from now. There's no time. It feels so awesome. Work in VR. Okay, import the second one. This is the second one I want to edit. And click open. I've imported the files. The very first thing I do whenever I record video, because whenever I record video, I like recording my audio separately. Now I have brought in my video file, and this is my audio file. Okay, keep my audio file here, allow it to load. All right, I always try to merge my audio file with my video file. Then raise it up. Now let's start here. Now play. I've been asking. Okay, so expand this timeline so that you will get them perfectly. So trim this audio and trim this video and make sure that these two files balance, okay? Good. The first thing I do, once I want to edit my video, then the next thing I do is to click on the video and go to colors and change this to, let's say, 60, and click on enter. Now, apart from the fact that I'm using the keyboard on my laptop, there's also virtual reality keyboard that when you put right on top of your desktop, okay, you'll be seeing the keyboard right inside your VR so that you can be able to type comfortably, because right, I cannot see my laptop keyboard inside the VR. I'm just typing from the fact that I know my laptop keyboard very well. So you can actually do everything that you do right inside your laptop or your desktop right in VR. I can close this and I can decide to watch video on, let's say, what video on, let's say, okay, somebody is calling me. Let me pick the call and answer the person. Hello? Hello? Why is my WhatsApp taking so much time to load? Hello? He's calling again.
Bro,
Yeah?
I greet you. Good afternoon.
Good day.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Hello? So you can see I got call from someone, but while I was recording my screen, my VR screen, I did not activate the mic in my VR. If not, the person would have been hearing me. I made another video on how to communicate in VR and all that, to make voice call, to make video call, everything in VR. I'm going to put that video at the end of this video for those of you that would like to. to watch that particular video. So you can do virtually everything. You can everything is on your system. So you can open your Telegram, you can watch video, you can open browser and watch your YouTube videos by going to YouTube. You can even stream through this process. You can go live online, but the thing is that people will be seeing you wearing a headset. People will not be seeing your eyes, but you'll be seeing them even if somebody calls in.
Welcome, boys and girls, to this video where I'll be giving you the top
That person will also see you as well, but the person will be seeing you wearing a headset and all that. So you can do virtually everything that you do right in your desktop or your laptop from your virtual reality headset. Now you guys can see that it's even sweeter, it's more comfortable working just right inside your virtual reality headset. You can change your environment to cinema environment, to classroom, to your sitting room, to any kind of environment that you want, and you'll be so relaxed working on your system with your keyboard or even with your joystick. So I just want to show you guys this because most times when I have a lot of files on me or a lot of work on me, when I want to work on people's system outside Nigeria, different countries, right from my system, when I want to edit my video, when I want to do some other things that makes me spend like 2-3 hours on the system, I always like using my virtual reality headset to work on that because you can make call with VR, you can communicate with the person with VR on WhatsApp, and you're still working right in his system or in your own system. Sometimes if I want to log into your system via TeamViewer, I'm right inside my virtual reality headset. I'm not looking at my screen, but I'm working in your laptop or in your desktop, wherever you're living. For those of you that bought my online training and you're having any kind of difficulty, you guys know that I come into your system from different locations. You give me access and I fix it for you. Meanwhile, for those of you that wants to learn how to make an image you talk and wave your hand, please, the online training is coming out tomorrow. It will be in my online store in case if you want to get it. Those of you that wants to be waving while you're making video calls, swapping your face with the different faces, that online training is available in my online store. So in case if you're interested and you meet the system requirement that I mentioned in the other video, in case if you meet the system requirements, you can join. But if your system does not meet the system requirements, you can join my first online training on how to make an image talk. And so many other online training is coming soon, how to connect 28 cameras in a live stream, how to do so many other things, how to live stream wirelessly with your phone. So many other online training is coming up. So you guys should stay tuned once in a while, check out my online store and see if there's anything that is going to benefit you, that is going to add value to your life. Don't forget, always make sure you invest in yourself because you invest in yourself, that is the best thing. Self-investment is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kisley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.